Welcome to Exchange Administration, Module 11, Securing and Maintaining Exchange Server. Microsoft Exchange Server includes a large set of predefined permissions based on the role-based access control, also called RBAC permission model, which you can use right away to easily grant permissions to your administrators and users. Let's see what is role-based permissions. In Exchange Server, the permission that you grant to an administrator and users are based on the management roles, and a role defines the set of a task that an administrator or user can perform. There are two types of role: administrative roles and end user roles. If we see the administrative role, these role contains permission that can be assigned to administrators or specialist user using role groups that manage a part of Exchange organization such as recipient, server or databases. The end user role are the role assigned using the role assignment policies, and it enable users to manage aspects of their own mailbox and distribution group that they own. Let's see the role groups and role assignment policies. Roles grant permission to perform the task in Exchange Server, but you need an easy way to assign them to an administrator and user. So they are role groups and role assignment policies. Role groups enable you to grant permission to administrators and specialist users, and role assignment policies enable you to grant permissions to end users to change settings on their own mailbox or distribution group that they own. For example, one administrator might manage both recipients and Exchange Server. In this case, that administrator might be assigned both the mail recipient and Exchange Server role. Let's also look what is split permission. With Exchange Server split permissions, you can separate the ability to create or delete security principals from Exchange Server administrative tools. And you can choose between the two models like RBAC split permission that is recommended and Active Directory split permissions. For example, if I go to the help desk and if I click on edit, so the user options and view only the recipient. Our help desk role cannot create the user. So I want a custom role for my organization, and let me type as a IT admins, and I will assign a role of, here you can see the mail recipient creation. So I will add this role, and I will also add the mail recipient role. This role enables administrator to manage existing mailbox, mail user and mail contact in the organization, and recipient creation enables administrators to create mailboxes, mail user, mail contact and regular and dynamic distribution group in an organization. So I will add both these roles to this IT admin, and I will select the member as a Vikas and will click on OK, and I will click on save. We have a new admin role by the name of IT admin, and you can see the member is Vikas and assigned role is mail recipient creation, mail recipient. He can see the mail recipient, he can manage the existing recipients and also create a new recipient in the organization. Here you can add a new user. For an example, you want to give that permission to Jack also. You can add Jack and click on OK and click on save. Now Jack and Vikas both can manage the IT admin because both have the assigned role permission as mail recipient creation and mail recipient. I hope you got it. Let's meet in the next video.